Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally back. I forgot my camera in Brazil. As you can tell, I am back in Switzerland and now I do have a camera. And today I'm going to film my skincare routine. I wanted to film my skincare routine in this Vogue type of style, so that's why I'm here in my bathroom. But anyway, put my hair in a ponytail so it doesn't get wet when I wash my face. So just a little update on my skin. My skin is usually like very sensitive and tends to have like breakouts and pimples sometimes. When I was using hormonal birth control, my skin was completely clear and had no pimples. I just stopped using it and now my skin is a little overwhelmed and has like a few pimples. So the first step in my skincare routine is a cleansing oil. This gets everything off. Like today I'm wearing a very natural kind of makeup, but still it's very important to get everything off. And I just like to use like 2 pumps, rub it into my hands and then on my face. This melts off everything, and for you, if you struggle with removing mascara, waterproof makeup, this will melt off everything. I like this NYX one because it's not too expensive. There's also a Clinique one which is called Take the Day Off, which is also really amazing. It's like a oil balm. So I look very scary. So as you can tell, it does melt off everything. I look crazy right now. Also on my neck, because I do apply makeup on my neck. I do have a few pigmentation marks and I like to cover them with foundation. So now as you can tell, I still have a little bit of eye makeup left over. And what I like to do is use a makeup remover wipe for this. Anyway, I do not use this every single day because most of the time I like to wash my face in the shower. And when I do not have a makeup remover wipe, I like to take a cotton pad with like some makeup remover and just get rid of the eye makeup left over. It's not that I still have a lot of eye makeup, it's just that sometimes my skin gets stained. So as you can tell, I didn't even like have to rub too much and it's already gone. So now I'm gonna put a little bit of water on my face because I'm going to exfoliate my skin using this cream peeling from Mirellad. This is a German brand, it's very affordable, and I just really like this because I have like some dry patches on my nose, like dead skin, and today when I was applying my foundation it looked really bad. So I will exfoliate my skin and show you how I do that. I just take a tiny little bit like this. This smells really good too. And I will rub it into my skin. I know that there are some people who don't like exfoliators like this. Like there was a lot of drama about the walnut scrub from Kylie, but I really like scrubbing my face. I have never tried that one and I don't feel like buying Kylie's skin. I don't know why. I really love her makeup products, but her skin products, I just feel like I'm really happy with my routine and I'll just keep using what I have. And now for my cleanser, I will use this Nivea Micellar Skin Brief with rose water. I love rose infused stuff for my face. I feel like it works really good with my skin. And now I will put this on my skin, wash it with this cleanser. You don't have to spend a lot of money on these like for real things. I mean, like if you want to do that, you can do so, but I really love these small ones, the simple ones. You don't have to use battery and stuff for this, and I just like to use this for the cleanser because it helps to get off all the excess makeup that is into your skin. So as I said, I usually do this step in my shower, also the scrub step, but today I wanted to film this and show you guys exactly what I do. So and now I will use a face mask, and I have 2 face masks that I really love. The first one is the Lancome Rose Sorbet Cryo Mask. I love this because, as I said, I love rose infused stuff for my skin. This has salicylic acid in it, which is amazing if you have pimples and breakouts like I have. This one is a zinc mask from Sephora, zinc and copper, and it works really good for my skin. I've been using this for ages. It's my all-time favorite, but today I will be using this one because it's really cooling and really refreshing. It looks like a primer actually. It's It's kind of silicone-y. I don't know how to explain it, but I really love how it cools out my skin. So now I will leave this on my skin for 5 minutes and I will be right back. So if you're watching this and you have really dry skin, one mask that I suggest you to try out is this Victoria's Secret Pink Coconut Oil Face Mask. It's really delicious, like smells so good. It smells just like, smells like a dessert. And it has coconut pieces in it too, which is really different. And it's really hydrating. I was using this when I was using my birth control because my skin was not breaking out. Now it's not very suitable for my skin, but it's still really amazing. So it's been 5 minutes, guys, and I will wash off my face mask. It feels so good on the skin. I love it, and it smells so refreshing. And now for the final step, it's time to hydrate my skin, use some moisturizer. And I know that sometimes people who have acne or oily skin think that they're not supposed to use a moisturizer. As a makeup artist, I learned that it's really important for you to hydrate your skin because if you don't hydrate your skin, your skin thinks that it has to produce more oil, and so it will get more oily, you will get more pimple. The only thing that you have to do is find the right moisturizer for your skin type, because of course you don't want to use something with like too much oil in it. If you have very oily skin, you want to find something probably that is very gel-alike. Like I like to use this fortifying and plumping daily booster from Vichy. This is the Mineral 89, and I really like using this because, as I said, it's very gel-alike. It's not creamy. I do have a few creamy ones that I really like too, that are also made for like sensitive skin types and for oily skin types. But another one that I really enjoy using as well is this Vitamin C from The Body Shop. This is for dull, tired, and grumpy skin, and this smells really good too. And I also really love the texture because it's not too creamy. Today I'm gonna use the Vitamin C one because I like to use this one at night. At daytime, I prefer using this one before I do my makeup. So I like to put a little bit on my hand and apply it on my skin. And sometimes if I do have like really bad pimples, like for example today, my pimples are not irritated or anything, but I still like to apply this one, a drying gel for your blackheads and your pimples. And this one is from a Brazilian brand called Eudora. This is the Neo Essence one. It's really affordable too. It reduces your pimples in like 6 hours, and it's really amazing. I like applying this on the redness and the pimples. I hope you enjoyed watching this. It's really simple, really fast, and very Vogue-alike, and I really enjoyed filming this for you. And make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Mwah.